Today, we have an exciting episode lined up for you. We'll be delving into the fascinating world of coin collecting as we explore the value, history, and jaw-dropping worth of the 1991 Lincoln cent. You won't believe what we're about to reveal, so make sure to stick around until the end. But first, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss another exciting coin-related video from us. Let's kick things off by introducing the star of today's show, the 1991 Lincoln cent. At first glance, it might not seem like much, but looks can be deceiving. This unassuming little coin has a rich history and, in some cases, is worth an absolute fortune. To truly appreciate the value of this coin, we need to take a step back in time. The 1991 Lincoln cent is part of the iconic Lincoln Memorial Cent series, which was first introduced in 1959 to honor the 150th anniversary of Abraham Lincoln's birth. These coins have been an integral part of American currency ever since. But what sets the 1991 Lincoln cent apart? Well, it's all about the D mint mark. Coins minted in Denver are known for their unique characteristics, and the 1991 Lincoln cent is no exception. Now, here's where things get really interesting. The 1991 Lincoln cent was produced in large numbers, making it a common coin in circulation. However, not all of them are created equal. Some rare and valuable varieties exist, and that's where the true excitement begins. For example, the 1991 Lincoln cent with double die obverse is one of the most sought-after varieties. These coins exhibit a clear doubling of the date and inscriptions on the front, making them incredibly valuable to collectors. Okay, everyone, hold on to your hats because we're about to reveal something astonishing. Some lucky individuals have stumbled upon 1991 Lincoln cents with incredible worth. Yes, worth millions. In recent years, these rare varieties have fetched jaw-dropping prices at auctions. Just imagine, a coin worth millions of dollars that you could have in your pocket without even knowing it. Now that we've piqued your interest, you might be wondering how to identify these valuable 1991 Lincoln cents. Well, it takes a keen eye, some research, and a bit of luck. A magnifying glass is your best friend here, helping you spot subtle details like doubling and other minting errors. And remember, always consult coin experts and reference guides to confirm the authenticity and value of your coin. So, there you have it, the intriguing world of the 1991 Lincoln cent. From its humble beginnings to the million-dollar surprises, this coin has captured the hearts of collectors and history buffs alike. Will you be the next lucky individual to discover a hidden treasure in your pocket change? Who knows? Finally, this coin's value in market $1.9 million. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your fellow coin enthusiasts. And if you have any stories or questions about the 1991 Lincoln cent, please share them in the comments below. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through coin history. And until next time, happy coin hunting. Thank you for watching.